So, you are ready to start your tire purchase. You've found your needed sizing, you understand your driving habits and environment, and you have an idea as to what brands best fit your needs. Now you're ready to go shopping. You have a few different ways to go about this, but the tried and true method is starting on the internet. Your first stop, Tire Rack. Tire Rack is an online retailer that specializes in selling tires, wheels, and other automotive accessories. The website, TireRack.com, provides a wide range of tires for various vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles. Here, you can browse through a comprehensive selection of tire brands, sizes, and types to find products that match your specific needs. Let's take a look at the process. Once on the site, click on Shop Products. This will pull up options to search for tires, wheels parts, and accessories. For this, let's search for tires by vehicle. Here you will add the make, model, year, and trim of vehicle if necessary. Then add your zip code so the search results show available options in your area. If your vehicle has multiple sizing options from the manufacturer, you will need to know the size that you need. You can refer to the side wall of your vehicle for current sizing or find the safety compliance certification label or door jamb label on the inside door jamb of driver's side door to find recommended tire size. From here, you can then filter by availability, price range, or category to help refine your search. Here we will select a touring tire, and since our driving habits are mostly on road and in an area that sees decent rainfall, we'll choose highway all season. Then on the results page you will find all brand options, any warranties the tire may carry, and any current promotions the manufacturer may be offering. You can then select the quantity and checkout. Your other option when searching is by size. Remember, you can find this by viewing the side of your tire or by looking at the door sticker on the driver's side door jamb. This will allow you to initially skip a step by not having to enter vehicle information, but keep in mind once you check out you will be asked to provide this information for the installer. If you have a staggered fitment, which means different sizing in the front and rear of the vehicle, searching by the current size you have on your vehicle and confirming it matches your vehicle's door sticker is a good exercise. Having the incorrect staggered sizing could cause unnecessary issues such as irregular wear or bad alignment. Here, add the front sizing and rear sizing separately by filtering to the needed width, aspect ratio, and diameter of the tire. If your size contains a prefix, such as the letter P or LT in the front of the tire size, you can omit this step here. Then on the results page you will find all brand options, any warranties the tire may carry, and any current promotions the manufacturer may be offering. You can then select the quantity and checkout. Once you have confirmed you have the correct size, you can continue your checkout. Keep in mind Tire Rack offers a couple ways to get you your tires. Initially you will be asked to enter vehicle information which will be provided to the installer. If you choose not to enter your vehicle information initially, you will be asked again if ship to installer was chosen. This option will have the tires shipped to a store you select. Then you set an appointment for installation, show up, and be done. The other option you can choose is to have them shipped to your home. Then you can set an appointment with a mobile installer who will come to your home and install. This option is a bit more expensive but convenient. When choosing an installer, note the installation costs as these typically are not included. Now, you can see since I initially chose to not enter my vehicle information and selected to have the tires shipped to an installer, Tire Rack requires me to enter this information. Here you will need to know your make, year, model, and trim to continue. Once you have completed this step, you will see the installer information I mentioned earlier. Remember to confirm all fees that each installer shows, as this is an additional cost. Here you can see America's Tire includes an inspection and or repair of TPMS or valve stem, future tire rotations and or balancing if necessary, flat repair and air checks when needed. These additional services are included with the installation cost. Keep in mind that this is a good value as tires should be rotated periodically. Once you have made your choice, you can continue your checkout, pay, and be done. I should note that Tire Rack was acquired by Discount Tire in December of 2021. And Discount Tire does business in some states under the name America's Tire. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please subscribe and leave comments and or ideas for future videos.